So yeah, here's one of the coolest ones. So when you look back in the history of innovation, I was reading this book, how innovation works. It's really cool. They call it the improbability machine. So many inventors or innovators rather, it's not the inventors, it's the innovators, are working on things in parallel. And so we ran this spatial AI competition for entrepreneurs, for people who want to do good in the world with this tech and solve problems that just weren't solved before. And one of the huge ones that came out of it, and with this book, like How Innovation Works, it makes clear that when you see hundreds of teams working on the same thing at the same time, it's about to hit, right? Like it's going to hit. And so visual assistance for people with visual disabilities, which there are tons, there's so many, and for outright blind, there are a lot of people. This is going to be crazy. So really, really cool application. And it's like a microcosm of the sort of things you can do with this, which is to perceive the world like a human can, but in like myopic ways. So in these cases, since a human's wearing it, a blind person, they can change the modes, right? When you're in a grocery store, it's in one mode and running one set of neural modes. When you're like walking on the street, it runs a whole different set of neural models, right? They can load the different modes. And that's like the myopic ways. That's where we are with embedded AI, is you can be like a person for an industry, like telling good onions, bad onions, counting fish and knowing the size and species of fish for doing better and more effective fishing and harvesting, and